Hello everyone. Today we will be dealing with the remaining problems of exercise 7.2 of chapter number 7, coordinate geometry. The sixth question is, if 1, 2, 4y, x6 and 3, 5 are the vertices of a parallelogram taken in order, then find the values of x and y. So I have drawn the figure of a parallelogram in which taken in order A, B, C, D with the points given. Okay, 1, 2, 4y, x6 and 3, 5. We have to find out what is x and y. So for that, the concept which we know is the diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. That means the midpoint of AC will be same as midpoint of BD. Using that concept, we will find out what is the value of x and y. Okay, since diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other, we can say that coordinates of the midpoint of one diagonal, midpoint of AC, will be equal to coordinate of the midpoint of BD. Okay, that means what will be the coordinate of the midpoint? If A and C are the points 1, 2 and x6, the midpoint will be 1 plus x by 2, 2 plus 6 by 2. Okay, so you will get 1 plus x by 2, 2 plus 6 by 2 as the coordinates of the midpoints of AC, and the coordinates of midpoint of BD will be 4 plus 3 by 2, 5 plus y by 2. Okay, so this will give you x plus 1 by 2, 8 by 2, which is 4, is equal to 7 by 2, y plus 5 by 2. Now we know that two points are equal if their corresponding coordinates are equal. Corresponding coordinates means first coordinate is equal to the first coordinate of the second point, and second coordinate is equal to the second coordinate of the second point. Okay, that means this will give you x plus 1 by 2 is equal to 7 by 2 and y plus 5 by 2 is equal to 4. This will give you x plus 1 is equal to 7 and y plus 5 is equal to 8. That is, x is equal to 7 minus 1, which is 6, and y is equal to 8 minus 5 equal to 3. Therefore, the values of x and y are 6 and 3 respectively, or you can say x is equal to 6 and y is equal to 3. Number 7 is, find the coordinates of a point A where AB is the diameter of a circle whose center is 2, minus 3 and B is 1, 4. So taken a circle with center C, which is given to be 2, minus 3, B is given to be 1, 4, and the coordinates of A, which we have to find out, is taken as x, y. Now here you know that C will be acting as a center, which is the midpoint of the diameter AB. So C is the midpoint of AB. That concept, using that concept, you can find out what is x and y. Okay, so let A be x, y and C be the center, because your coordinate is given but we have taken it to be C. Okay, since C is the midpoint of AB, what will be that midpoint criteria? It is given to be 2, minus 3, and according to the definition what you will get, midpoint criteria is x plus 1 by 2 should be this. So you are just writing x plus 1 by 2, y plus 4 by 2 will be coordinate of C, and which is given to be 2, minus 3. Now comparing the that is the coordinates, 2 will be equal to this and minus 3 will be equal to this if you have an equal to sign in between the points. Okay, so you will get 2 is equal to x plus 1 by 2 and minus 3 is equal to y plus 4 by 2. So you will get x plus 1 is equal to 4, or x is equal to 4 minus 1, which is 3, and here you will get y plus 4 is equal to minus 6, or y is equal to minus 6 minus 4, which is minus 10. So you are getting, therefore the point A is x comma y you have taken, so it is 3 comma minus 10. Okay. Question number 8 is, if A and B are minus 2 comma minus 2 and 2 comma minus 4 respectively, find the coordinates of P such that AP is equal to 3 by 7 AB and P lies on the line segment AB. So you have to find the coordinate of P. For that we will just take, let the coordinate of P be, coordinates of P be x comma y. So you have to find out what is your x and y, the values of x and y. Okay. And the concept which they have given is AP is equal to 3 by 7 times of AB. So first I have just drawn AB and I have taken 7 equal parts of AB. Why? I am dividing AB into 7 equal parts. This will decide in how many parts, equal parts have been AB divided. The denominator will show that. Okay. So that I have divided AB into 7 equal parts. The meaning of AP is equal to 3 by 7 AB is, AP is 1, 2, 3, this much portion of AB. Okay, so this is your P. Where will be the P point? Here, 1, 2, 3 here, right? So this much portion is your AP and the remaining portion will be AB. So sorry, BP. So if you have to find out BP, you can use this method. AB minus AP will give you BP, right? Now what is AB minus AP? AP is 3 by 7 AB. That will give you 4 by 7 of AB, right? 1 minus 3 by 7 will give you 4 by 7, right? So you are getting BP is the 4 by 7th part of AB. So from that you can just say that this much is your 3, that is ratio of AP is to PB will give you 3 is to 4. Understood? You can just see 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Why we have divided into 7 equal parts? Because it is given here. Understood? So therefore AP is to BP is equal to 3 is to 4. Even if you are not doing like this will show that if AP is this much of part, the remaining will be BP. So this is your 3 parts of your 7 parts, so remaining is your 4 parts. Okay, so you will have AP is to BP is 3 is to 4. So when you get the ratio, after that the problem is very simple, because A and B are already given and you are taking your P to be x comma y. You can use your section formula to find out what is x and y. Okay, so by section formula, the coordinates of P will be found out. The coordinates of P are, what are you getting? Actually coordinates of P is equal to, if you use the formula, it is, what is your formula? M, this is your M1, this is your M2, this is X1, Y1, X2, Y2. So what you will get? M1 X2 like this cross plus M2 X1 divided by M1 plus M2, comma M1 Y2 plus M2 Y1 divided by M1 plus M2. Okay, M1 plus M2. Now coordinates we have taken as x comma y, so in the left hand side you can just replace it with x comma y. Now here we will replace with the values which we have been given in the question. So x1 y1 and x2 y2 are given, and m1 and m2 are 3 and 4. So m1 is 3, so 3 into you will get x2 as 2 plus m2 is 4, 4 into x1 is minus 2 divided by m1 plus m2 will give you 3 plus 4 which is 7, comma here again m1 is 3 into y2 is minus 4 plus m2 is 4 into y1 is minus 2 divided by 3 plus 4. That is x comma y is 6 minus 8 by 7 comma minus 12 minus 8 by 7 or minus 2 by 7 comma minus 20 by 7 is your x comma y. Therefore the coordinates of P are this much. Okay, what is x comma y? Coordinates of P. Okay, minus 2 by 7 comma minus 20 by 7. Question number 9 is, find the coordinates of the points which divide the line segment joining A minus 2 comma 2 and B 2 comma 8 into 4 equal parts. So first of all, you have to take a line segment AB and divide it into 4 equal parts. Now the meaning of 4 equal parts means you have to get 3 points in between A and B such that this distance equal to this one, equal to this one and equal to the last one. That is, let P, Q and R be the points in between A and B, points between A and B such that, why it is 4 equal parts, so such that the condition will be AP is equal to PQ is equal to QR is equal to RB. That much is clear, I think. Now we have to find out the coordinates of all these 3, that is PQ and R. Again, from the figure itself you can see that Q will be acting as the midpoint of AB. Why? Because here you can see, since it is divided into 4 equal parts, this much will be, ratio will be like 2:2. That means equal ratio. So Q is acting as the midpoint of AB, or else you can use this concept also. Okay. So Q is the midpoint of AB means we will use midpoint formula to find out what is the coordinate of Q. Okay. Since Q is the midpoint of AB, what will be the coordinate of Q? Coordinate of Q is equal to, what you will get? See, A is this, B is this, and a midpoint is given as minus 2 plus 2 by 2 comma 2 plus 8 by 2, which will give you, minus 2 plus 2 will give you 0. So 0 by 2 is 0. Here you will have 10, 10 by 2 is 5. So you got the coordinate of Q. Okay, and just replacing the coordinate of Q here instead of this writing, that is 0 comma 5. Now from the figure itself it is clear that P is acting as the midpoint of the line segment AQ, because here the ratio will become like 1:1, right? Equal parts. AQ is divided into 2 equal parts, so the ratio is 1:1, and you will get this to be the midpoint of AQ. Okay, so P is, since P is the midpoint of AQ, coordinates of P is equal to, how you will get, take these 2 points as your x1 y1 and x2 y2, so you will get x1 plus x2 by 2, that is minus 2 plus 0 by 2 comma 2 plus 5 by 2. This will give you minus 2 by 2, which is minus 1 comma, this will give you 7 by 2. So this is your coordinates of P. Now again go to the figure. R will be acting as the midpoint of QB, that is, if you take this much of line segment, you can see that it is broken into 2 equal parts, so the ratio is same, hence you can use your midpoint formula. Since R is the midpoint of QB, coordinates of R is equal to, what you will get, 0 plus 2 by 2 comma 5 plus 8 by 2, that is 2 by 2, which is 1 comma, this will give you 13 by 2. Therefore the coordinates of the points we will write in order. Okay, therefore the coordinates of the points P, Q and R are respectively, what is P? First you will write minus 1 comma 7 by 2, then Q, it is 0 comma 5, and R, which is 1 comma 13 by 2. Okay. Number 10 is, find the area of a rhombus if its vertices are 3, 0, 4, 5, minus 1, 4 and minus 2, minus 1 taken in order. So I have drawn a rhombus in which A, B, C, D in order I have taken 3, 0, 4, 5, minus 4, 1, 4 and minus 2, minus 1. Now in order to find out the area, the formula for area of a rhombus is half into the product of the diagonals. That means half into D1 into D2, where D1 and D2 are the diagonals of the rhombus. Okay. That means we have to find out what is the length of the diagonals. What are the diagonals here? AC and BD. So you have to find out what is AC and BD and then use the formula to find out the area. So first we will start with what is the diagonal or the length of the diagonal AC is equal to what you can use in order to find out the length? Distance formula. So distance formula is root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. So what you will get here, this is your x1 y1, x2 y2, then your formula x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square will give you root of minus 1 minus 3 the whole square plus 4 minus 0 the whole square, which is equal to root of, here you will have minus 4 the whole square plus 4 square, which is equal to root of 16 plus 16 root 32. Root 32 is 16 into 2. Root of 16 into 2 will give you 4 root 2. So 4 root 2 is the length of AC. Now you will find out diagonal, length of diagonal BD. Okay, length diagonal AC is enough. What you will get again? Root of, here this is your x1 y1 and this is your x2 y2. Please this. So applying the formula you will get minus 2 minus 4 the whole square plus minus 1 minus 5 the whole square, which is equal to minus 6 the whole square plus again minus 6 the whole square, which is root of, this will give you 36 plus 36 or root 72. Again root 72 is 36 into 2. So you will get 6 root 2. 6 root 2 units. Okay. Now what is the demand? To find out the area of the rhombus. So therefore area of the rhombus is equal to half into, this is taken as D1, suppose this is your D2. So half into D1 into D2, which is equal to half into 4 root 2 into 6 root 2. 2 and root 2 into root 2 is 2. So that will get cancelled and you are getting 24 square units as the area of the rhombus. Okay.